What is up, fam? It is your boy Dale here on the beach, a little before work fishing. Gotta work pretty late tonight, so thought I'd come out and hit the beach, see if I get into some fish on camera. I know I haven't been in front of the camera in a while, so here I am. Been turning out a lot of videos now that I got my software and my laptop. So turned out one yesterday, one today, so tons of footage to go through still, so plenty more to come. On top of that, let's shoot some new stuff. Yeah, fishing's been really good, actually. So you guys will see that from the videos when I start publishing more of them. So pretty excited about today. Everything's lining up to be a pretty good day of fishing before I have to go to work. I do have a new rod that I have been using the past couple days, and this thing's phenomenal. Like, can't wait to show you guys my new fishing rod. Oh, and the two reels, I got two reels that showed up. I'm kind of deciding on which way to go for the 100 subscriber contest. So one's a good size reel, 5,000 I think. The other one's a 3,000, but it's more, I don't know, more like a 2 or a 1, kind of small. So I think both would work good in the surf. I am leaning towards giving away the bigger one though, just maybe throw the smaller one on a trout rod. Yeah, so I haven't decided on the rods yet. I'm not gonna let you guys see the reels or the rod, so I may let you see the reel, the one I decide to keep. So on that note, 100 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway, rod and reel combo to a lucky subscriber. So yeah, you can't win if you're not subscribed. Let's see what else. Nothing much going on in the tournament world. We got PK's championship tournament in August, so looking forward to that. If you don't know who PK is, I would highly suggest you go out on YouTube and look at his channel, Oregon Life. The guy's amazing, dude. The guy is a red tail, just God, I guess. Catches them and catches big ones. So other than that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please share my videos with everyone. I want to really get to these 100 subscribers. Like I said, I've got my own software now, I've got my own laptop. Like, time to put in work, and it is work editing these videos, man. I've messed up on both the two that I've done already, but hey, that's human. I'm not gonna go in and fix that. I published it, like, that's me, that's DL, like, I accept the mess up, you know what I mean? And plus it isn't all that bad anyway. So yeah, plenty of stuff to come. We're racing our C cars now. We got the boat started, got a new trolling motor on the new boat, the Filthy Ore. What is up, country to coast family? It is your boy DL here with big hands. Got something to show y'all. The new boat. The new boat. I know y'all thinking that too small for two big guys, but it's the new boat. It's gonna work out for us. The Filthy Ore is her name. We got the captain in there already testing out the waters. But yeah, a little boat would be perfect for throwing crab pots or getting out in the bays. She's definitely not a seaworthy by any means, but we'll have some oars in there. And then we got this courtesy of Double L. Double L, if you're out there, buddy, I love you, man. Got the that trolling motor, so we don't have to use hand power, because you guys know your boy's lazy as shit. So yeah, got the decals being made. The Filthy Ore. Master fabricator right now, trying to mount it up. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. Like, we got to test the limits of it and see really what she can do. So as far as getting gear from point A to point B. So anyways, stay tuned. So that'll be coming soon. We'll be out in the bays dropping crab pots and possibly with Mrs. Country to Coast out trolling for trout and stuff like that. So yeah, lots of stuff. I mean, lots of stuff in the mix. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get changed out. Go get me some fish. Stay tuned. Country to Coast. Let's get it. Red tails, baby. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this rod, this new rod I've been using. It's only like its third time out, but yeah, it's the Celio, I think. It's by Okuma, 8.6. It's a heavy action rod, 1/2 ounce to 2 ounce on the lure weight. I got it paired with my Penn Pursuit 3. This is 4,000 low vis gray, a 30 pound 15 pound mono. We got that going to 3 dropper loops, and then below those we got the 2 ounce disc weight. So it's kind of what I'm going with today. This rod's been one I've been kind of eyeballing for a while. I was back home for a family deal in Idaho, and it was like half the price there. So I picked it up, and my God, this is a phenomenal rod. Casts a mile. Paired with this reel too, unstoppable. Just been murdering the fish. Color today, camo. They've been liking the camo lately, so we're gonna go with the camo. So anyways, fam, let's get out there and catch some fish. I'm gonna trust that that's going, and it is. So yeah, guys, coming to you from the old helmet, or the old head cam today. So wanted to kind of get some different angles and stuff. It's always the chest cam, so it's an outgoing tide, which is not ideal, but I've done really good on the outgoing tide before, so hopefully the angle's good on this side. I'm gonna rock this head cam for a little bit. I just want to see, hopefully we get some bites and some fish on camera, so I can just kind of see angles and stuff like that. So I don't know if you guys are wondering but how I kind of choose where I'm gonna go. Honestly, it's just based off of feel and the looks of the surf. Down over here, it's real flat. The waves really aren't doing much. They're super tiny. No foam on the water. Everything looks the same that way. And as you come, a bunch of white out there, waves breaking on top of each other, kind of stirring more stuff up. And then again, it's got a big open flat area, some stuff going on in the back there. That, and I've been doing pretty good through here. So yeah, they've really switched over. They love the camo right now, and which is fine. I got that. I got some new penny. Switch it up if I need to. I'm just so impressed with this rod, man. And I mean, I have other Okumas. They make good rods, but this is kind of above what I expected. So whoa, 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 what the hell? I just stepped in a hole about over my head. God damn, I wish I could see the bottom. I just gotta kind of take her slow and feel. See another big hole in front of me here. Some of those suckers are deep. Get out here to where I can kind of cast towards that back trough back there. All right, this will work. I don't see much current today, so the 2 ounce should hold up pretty well. Ooh. May have just been the current. This is about as far as it's going to let you go, because directly in front of me, about 20 feet, is a big trough, and it's deep. And then there's another sandbar in the back beyond that that I've never been able to get to. Yeah, honestly guys, I think the reason fishing when the tide's out this far and it's so slow up here where I live, it's that second sandbar that's out there. These fish don't want to get trapped in between sandbars, because I makes them exposed for like predators and especially like birds and stuff. Boy, she's calm today. Come on, little red tails. What we might do is just the sandbar I'm standing on, it runs forever. To the left of me here, right down that direction, and I just walk and cast. I do gotta work today, so I don't have a whole day's worth of time, but we definitely got some time. So I'm just gonna move down a little bit at a time, 10-15 feet or so at a time. Try not to step in a hole. And just keep tossing. Yesterday, I didn't have the camera on yesterday. It was so windy. We worked on the boat most of the day, getting the new trolling motor on the new boat. Little boat I picked up. It's a little 8-foot aluminum, flat bottom. It'll be a good little boat for what we want to do, you know. Plus, I'll be able to get Mrs. Country to coast out more than just bank fishing for trout. once in a while you can find a school in this trough, or a lot of flatfish like to hang out in this big trough out here too. Check these out, guys. Two big old ghost shrimp, and then that little tiny clam, little tiny razor clam. Never seen one that small. That's on an accident. I'm out digging clams. Ooh, something out there. Oh, I missed. God, I was so late. That was a good bite too. Can't wait to see that one back on tape. See how incredibly late I was to that hook set. Bombed. What is up, everybody? It is your boy DL, Country to Coast Adventures, and my first place prize showed up today, so we're gonna unbox it. Will you hand me a knife, please? Of some kind, any kind. So yeah, this just showed up today for our first place prize. Come on, it's for being weird. And so we're gonna open this up, take a look at it. Like I said, this is one of those 15 seconds. Bam, there we go. This is one of those reels I've been wanting for a while. I got the other reel that I wanted for Christmas for Mrs. Country to Coast. That was our Penn battle. Ooh-wee. Right out of the box, like braid ready in the spool. got 7 bearings. Screw the handle on here. Take a look. I thought it'd be a lot bigger. I don't know why. I remember PK saying that the 4000 was a little big for a surf reel, for everyday surf reel. Take 2, I guess. Fuck. Oh, might wanna turn it the right way. Oh, it's not heavy at all. Oh yeah, it's nice and smooth. Looks like mono, 10 pound, let's see, 300 yards, 10 pound, 260 yards, 12 pound. Braid, which we fished 30, so 280 yards of braid. That's pretty good. That's plenty of line. Digi gear, I don't know what that is, I'll have to. Carbon ATD, so yeah, legit first place prize, guys. I mean, wow, it's a nice reel. I know I've been talking nothing but pen everything, but we're gonna put this one to the test for sure. So anyway, first place tournament, PK online tournament. So thank you, PK. If y'all haven't seen his channel, go check out Oregon Life. That's PK's YouTube channel. And while you're out there, you might as well subscribe to my channel, so Country to Coast Adventures. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family, friends, co-workers, even that crazy neighbor that nobody likes. We love everybody over here at Country to Coast. So, and don't forget to subscribe. You can only be a part of these giveaways if you subscribe to the channel. So legit real. Thank you again, PK, and I'm looking forward to getting it out in the surf. So probably line it tonight. Anyways, guys, until the next time.